how to fix TikTok videos not showing to others on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your videos visible to everyone again. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, tap on Privacy to open your privacy settings. From there, make sure your account is set to public. If it's set to private, tap on it and switch it to public. At this stage, go back and find one of the videos that you have posted and click on the three dots in the bottom right. Following this, make sure your videos are set to everyone so they can be seen by all users on TikTok. From here, if your videos are still not showing up to others, it may be because they are under review by TikTok. This can take up to 48 hours, so give it some time before checking again. At this point, if the videos have been up for more than 48 hours and still aren't visible, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for TikTok and tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Force Stop and confirm. Tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. Then reopen TikTok and check again. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix TikTok videos not showing to others, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.